Wrong way mayhem, Tesla on Tesla violence, street racing gone wrong, and a whole lot more is coming up today on
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
Joyce was driving her Tesla Model S through a green light when Bam! Another Tesla driver failed to yield as he made a left turn across Joyce's lane, resulting in the two vehicles colliding. Joyce said the other driver told a witness he'd been using either autopilot or full self-driving, but Joyce is very skeptical of his claim. Sadly, the collision totaled both Teslas. What makes it worse is the fact that Tesla had just ended production of the Model S and sold all remaining inventory, so Joyce can't even replace her Model S with a new one. She told us she's heartbroken and wishes she could give Elon a call and ask him to make one more Model S just for her. Taylor was driving her Model 3 while her partner CJ followed behind her. They were headed to a third-party charging station since the local supercharger was offline at the time. As they approached an intersection, a Mustang driver ahead of Taylor failed to yield, turning left across traffic and T-boning an oncoming SUV. Miraculously, the violent wreck resulted in no serious injuries, and everyone involved in the collision walked away unhurt. Police arrived in under 5 minutes. Thanks to the collision being recorded by not one but two Teslas, they had plenty of video evidence to show them exactly what had happened. Donald was on his way home in his Tesla Model 3. As he approached an intersection, the light turned green and traffic ahead began rolling forward. Suddenly, a speeding Lexus driver ran their red light and T-boned a silver Corolla. Donald stopped to check on the involved drivers and called 911. Incredibly, there were no serious injuries, but both cars were totaled by the impact. Jack was driving his 8-month Model Y down a Tennessee highway when a trucker ahead of him slowed down to leave a gap for an oncoming driver making a left turn. That's when a silver Kia Sorento blew past Jack, passing him illegally on the shoulder before T-boning the turning pickup truck. After the collision, Jack told the trucker to call 911 before he checked on the involved drivers himself. The driver of the F-150 was stunned, so Jack instructed her to stay in her pickup and wait for first responders. Thankfully, an off-duty firefighter happened to be driving by, and he stopped and assisted the pickup driver before first responders arrived to take over. Ed was driving his Model X down a highway in New York when 3 vehicles sped past him in the passing lane. As the driver of a gray Infiniti tried to overtake a BMW X7 in the travel lane, the BMW driver began changing lanes, prompting the Infiniti driver to swerve away and almost collide with a red Toyota in the exit lane. After barely avoiding the red hatchback, the Infiniti driver slammed on the brakes before swerving back toward the passing lane, colliding with the BMW before both vehicles lost control. The Infiniti then slammed into a Toyota Corolla before fleeing the scene, as did the driver of the BMW X7. We're not sure if this was road rage, street racing, or both, but we hope the Corolla driver wasn't seriously hurt. Sean was driving his 2022 Model Y in Australia when he came to a stop for a red light. Suddenly, he was rear-ended by another driver who was distracted by his cell phone. How do we know? Well, if we play back the Teslacam footage in slow motion, we can clearly see the driver's phone go flying out of his hand after the impact. Sean told us the other driver could be fined up to the equivalent of $900 and lose 4 points off his license for using his phone while driving. He ordered a 2026 Model Y to replace his 2022, which he plans to sell after repairs have been completed. Jeffrey had just left home 2 minutes earlier on his way to church with his parents when the driver of a Honda CR-V hit the side of his Model Y. Jeffrey had been using full self-driving at the time, and it's clear from the footage that FSD had attempted to avoid the collision by swerving toward the neighboring lane. Jeffrey told us the CR-V driver had only been licensed to drive for a month before this happened. Sadly, his Tesla had to be towed away after the impact damaged and cracked a wheel. Things only got worse from there. After the repair estimate exceeded $21,000, the Tesla was totaled. Simon was driving down a Connecticut highway in his Model 3 one evening when another driver merging onto the highway slammed into a pylon on the side of the on-ramp, sending debris spraying everywhere. Simon made an evasive maneuver to avoid the debris as it scattered across the highway, thankfully missing all of it. After conducting an up-close inspection of the pylon, the other driver kept right on going as though it was just a normal part of his nightly routine. Dammy was driving his Model 3 when he noticed an entitled Subaru driver illegally cutting into the oncoming turn lane. At first, Dammy came to a stop, but the Subaru driver didn't seem to mind blocking the road and just gestured to him to go around her. He told us he normally wouldn't have complied and would have stood his ground to teach the driver a lesson, but he was already late on his way to work and couldn't stay. Cash was driving north on a highway in Utah when a white Hyundai shot out of a dealership, crossing 5 lanes of traffic before barreling through a fence and into an empty lot. Was this some kind of test drive gone wrong? Cash told us he contacted the dealership's manager and he told him the driver's brakes had failed. Thankfully, there were no injuries after that wild incident, but we can't help but think it looks like a case of pedal misapplication. What do you think? Philip was driving his 3-week-old Model Y in Ontario, on his way back from visiting a golf shop with a friend. As he drove down the left lane, an SUV emerged from a gas station parking lot, turning into the right lane. Without any warning, the SUV driver suddenly made an illegal U-turn just as Philip was passing her, sideswiping his Tesla. After both drivers stopped, the driver of the SUV got very upset with Philip. He told us she was highly offended that he hadn't immediately run over to check on her and her children. When a police officer arrived, she told him Philip had been speeding before leaving his lane and sideswiping her and that he'd frightened her kids. Obviously, Philip's Teslacam footage told a very different story, which was very fortunate for him. The officer told him that in cases like this, both parties are usually deemed to be equally responsible. Repairing the damage to his Model Y will cost at least $20,000 US, and it might end up being in the shop longer than he even got to drive it. Matt was using full self-driving in his Model Y on his way to work and was waiting at a traffic light when he noticed a trucker making a left turn from a straight-only lane. Little did the trucker know, a police car was right behind him and the officer was taking note of his reckless maneuver. Before long, the party lights came on and the truck driver was being pulled over for some instant justice. This subscriber was driving in Orlando when a pickup driver up ahead lost 2 pieces of a sectional sofa which blocked multiple lanes after tumbling down the highway. Our subscriber quickly swerved toward the shoulder while slowing down, suspecting that other drivers might begin swerving unpredictably. Meanwhile, the pickup driver who'd lost his furniture safely pulled over a short distance down the highway. Greg's wife and daughter were in their Model Y Performance when the road they were on narrowed from 2 lanes to 1. Instead of smoothly merging into the ample space behind them, the driver of a lifted pickup with an overcompensating tailpipe forced his way ahead of them. They quickly found out why the pickup driver had wanted so badly to get in front of their Tesla when he proceeded to repeatedly roll coal for the next half mile. This subscriber had left his Model 3 parked in a store parking lot, and that might give you a clue about what happened next. As another shopper wearing headphones organized his trunk so he could load the rest of his groceries, his cart began slowly rolling away and straight toward the front of our subscriber's Tesla. At the last second, 2 capeless heroes leapt into action, saving our subscriber's Model 3 from the cart demon's attack, and their heroic intervention was captured by his Teslacam. Mario was with his mother as they returned from a store in their Model 3 when he noticed the driver of another Model 3, a Performance, was in a rush to get to a hockey game scheduled to start in 15 minutes. As it passed, the Model 3 kicked up a ton of dust and debris. Can't miss the face-off. Andrew was driving along normally in the travel lane of a highway with his windows down, enjoying the breeze, when he noticed a diesel pickup getting ready to pass him. As the truck pulled up next to him, Andrew's suspicions were confirmed when the tailpipe started farting dinosaurs. Andrew tapped the juice pedal, easily pulling away from the smoking truck as its underpowered engine struggled to accelerate. Eventually, he was forced by the narrowing road to get in front of the pickup, but he told us it stayed behind him for around 10 miles before the driver finally turned. Mo was driving his Model 3 in Ottawa when he noticed an Elantra N slowly passing him, then staying in the passing lane even though it wasn't passing traffic. The Elantra driver, clearly irritated by the SUV tailgating them, brake-checked the other driver without realizing it was a police officer. Predictably, the cop instantly pulled them over for some instant justice, and hopefully they received an education about what the passing lane is actually for. You know, passing. Dammy was driving his Tesla in Fremont when he spotted a Tesla Cybercab. This happened right near the Tesla factory in Fremont, and Dammy told us the Cybercab was making rather interesting zigzag maneuvers through the parking lot, probably trying to dodge the speed bumps. Dammy asked us to shout out his children Smira and Ridhan, who are both big fans of Wham Bam Teslacam. Gio was driving his Model 3 in Ohio on his way to what should have been a routine telecom unload. Just another heavy microduct wheel weighing over 5 tons being handled on a job site. Suddenly, one small mistake changed everything. When someone pushed instead of pulling while repositioning the wheel on the bed of a truck, it hit the ground hard, bounced, then headed straight toward Gio's Tesla. Incredibly, even though the wheel briefly made contact with his Tesla, he wasn't able to find any damage. Still, that was way too close for comfort. If you want to see more crazy Teslacam and Sentry mode footage, check out one of these videos next. And don't forget to use the link in the description to send in your footage. You just might see it featured in a future episode.